students. In the last session, we have seen introductory part regarding the pharmacopoeia. Once again, I am going to repeat the same definition because it is one of the important definition and it may ask for 2 marks even. So, pharmacopoeia is a Greek word which is obtained from the 2 words such as pharmakon and poiein. So, pharmakon means drug and poio means to make. Pharmacopoeia is the official book published by the government of country and it contains the list of crude drug, medicinal substances, formula for making the medicinal preparations with detailed information with respect to taste, description and their standard. So, crude drug means what? The drugs which are obtained from the natural source. Formula means what? If suppose we want to prepare the paracetamol tablet, only paracetamol is not required for the preparation of paracetamol tablet. It will require some diluents, some disintegrating agents likewise. So that is called as the formula for making the medicinal preparations with detailed information with respect to the taste. What are the different identification tests for the different types of material? Their description, how it looks, their color, odor, taste likewise and their standards means assay or anything that comes under this standard word. So this is the recap or last session recap of the lecture. So again in this session we have seen different official books, that is of official compendia and non-official compendia, right? So we have seen even the pictures of so many pharmacopoeias, some examples of the official pharmacopoeias also and some non-official compendias also. So let us start the new session. So in this session we are going to see first publication of IP, then various revisions thereafter, contents of the IP and detailed discussion about the Indian pharmacopoeia. So this is the images, this is the old book Indian Pharmacopoeia of India and this is the latest edition which is prepared by the IPC, Indian Pharmacopoeial Committee, Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission. So this is the latest and this is the old edition of the IP. So again one of the important question, that is the history of pharmacopoeia. It can be asked for 3 marks in the exam, in the sessional as well as in the annual exam. The Government of India directed the Drug Technically Advisory Board the list drugs that are used in the India which are not mentioned in the British Pharmacopoeia, because the British Pharmacopoeia gives the detailed information about whatever drug used in that particular country, and regarding the India we have to follow the crude drugs or the material which is found in the India only, and also recommended the standards to be prescribed to maintain the uniformity and the chemical test to be used to establish the identity and purity of that particular substance. Again in 1946 the Government of India published the Indian Pharmacopoeial List which serves as a supplement to the British Pharmacopoeia. Means Indian Pharmacopoeial List gives supplementary introduction to the British Pharmacopoeia. In 1955, the first edition of Pharmacopoeia of India was compiled and then published. As the number of drugs were introduced in the market, a supplement to the first edition of IP in 1960 was published. After the death of Dr. Ghosh, Dr. B. Mukherjee headed the committee and published the second edition of IP in 1966. There were new editions of antibiotic drug from the synthetic origin. Some natural drugs like Vidnag and Jatamansi were included in the monograph, and supplement to the second edition of IP in 1975 was published. The third edition was compiled by the committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityananda and was published in 1985, and its supplement was published in 1989 and 1991. Then the fourth edition of IP was published in 1996 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityananda. Addendum was added in 2002 and 2005. The fifth edition of IP was published in 2007 under the chairmanship of Dr. Nityananda, and addendum was added in 2008. The sixth edition of IP was published in 2010. Addendum was added in 2012. The seventh edition of IP was published in 2014. Addendum was added in 2015 and 2016. Eighth edition of IP was published in 2018, and addendum was added in 2019. So this is the latest edition of IP which is published in 2018. Already I have given the images of this IP which is in red color. So this is the short compilatory statements regarding the various editions of the IPs. That is, first edition is published in 1955, supplement in 1960, second edition 1966, supplement in 1975, third edition in 1985, and these are the supplementary additions or addendums to this particular edition. Then fourth edition 1996, so these are the supplementary addition. Fifth edition 2007, this is the addendum in 2008. Sixth edition 2010, addendum in 2012. Seventh edition 2014, addendum in 2015 and 2016. Eighth edition 2018, and addendum in 2019. So this is the very important chart as far as your history topic is, or history of the pharmacopoeia is concerned. So we will stop here in this session. Thank you.